Hello and welcome to a Hayley Louise Crafts crochet tutorial. Today I will be showing you what I call the nose knot that I use in my toy making. I learnt this when I learnt to first make toys, originally knitting them from patterns made by Jean Greenhowe. The nose knot is a great little addition that looks nice and is quick and easy to do. They are also a great alternative to making eyes if you don't have safety eyes readily available. Cut off a piece of yarn. It doesn't have to be super long, just long enough to thread through your work to attach later on. Make a knot at the centre of the length, winding the yarn around about 4 times before pulling closed. Don't pull too tight, as we want to get a nice thick look to it. Attach it where desired on the face, threading both ends through the work and out the same gap at the back of the work. Tie it off, again, not too tight as we don't want to change the look of the knot, just making sure it's secured. And then thread the ends back through the same gap and cut off. You can experiment with this. Use thicker yarn. Wind the yarn around more or less times until you get a look you're happy with. I've just found that 4 is the magic number for toy making and 8-ply yarn. And there you have it. I use this fairly regularly as I think it gives a more 3-dimensional look than simply embroidering onto the face. Hope this helps your future toy making.